Zuba from Bangladesh and welcome to Plantology. In this video, I'm going to share a DIY potting mix recipe that can be used to grow almost all kinds of houseplants such as pothos, philodendrons, syngoniums, monsteras. This is the potting mixture that I use very often without preparing different types of soil mixture for individual plants. And all my plants are doing well, so I thought to share with you. Also, I will share how you can store this potting mix for the future use. So, let's begin.
As I said, it's going to be a DIY potting mix, so I will be preparing the potting soil by using more convenient and easily accessible ingredients. First, I'm adding 1 part garden soil. You can collect the soil from garden centers or backyard or agricultural land, but avoid collecting from the contaminated areas. Then adding half part coco peat. It's a renewable and sustainable media that is free of bacteria and fungi. It can hold moisture, but it's a more airy type of media, so it allows air and the media dries out fast compared to soil. Then adding half part compost, which is going to be the source of nutrients. I generally like to use vermicompost because it creates a healthy soil ecosystem. Then to increase the porosity, I have used 1 part tree barks. These are around 3 to 4 cm in diameter. Then adding half part coarse sand. But you can use fine sand as an alternative. And finally, adding 1/3 part of charcoal. Now try to use activated charcoal because this normal charcoal does not have nutrient holding and impurity removal properties. This normal charcoal only will increase the porosity as well as it quite alkaline. Now mix all the ingredients evenly. This is the potting mix that I use to grow most of my houseplants. Sometimes I like to add rice husk and perlite to increase the aeration. However, I bought this beautiful dwarf syngonium plant 2 days back. Now the plant has very long roots, but also new roots are arriving from the base, and I want to encourage these roots to grow, so I cut back the long roots and then repotted the plant by using this DIY potting mixture. Make sure that the roots are fully covered with the potting soil. After repotting, don't forget to water the plant thoroughly. So all these plants are repotted in my DIY potting soil, and I generally like to use rice husk or charcoal as top dressing. Now let's talk about how to store this soil. First, spread out the soil and air dry in a cool shaded place. Avoid sun drying the soil because that can kill the beneficial bacteria. And when the soil will be dry like this, put it in an airtight bag and store in a cool place. So the potting mix will be out of harmful fungi and insects. So that was all. Let me know how you prepared the potting soil to grow houseplants or indoor plants in the comment section. If you want to learn more about plants and gardening, then feel free to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.